In the wilds of Patagonia, fierce winds can turn any adventure into a fight for survival. A seasoned naturalist emphasizes the importance of finding natural windbreaks, like dense trees or rock formations, to shield yourself from the elements. He demonstrates how to create a makeshift shelter using branches and foliage, a skill that could mean the difference between comfort and exposure. Next, he illustrates the significance of layering clothing to maintain body heat, advising adventurers on the effectiveness of moisture-wicking materials. Lastly, he shares tips on acquiring safe drinking water, emphasizing the use of natural filters. These techniques equip outdoor enthusiasts to face Patagonia's unpredictable climate with confidence.